everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be trying something new. I'm going to be playing Fishing Planet for the first time ever on my YouTube channel. If you guys enjoy me playing Fishing Planet, make sure to leave a like and leave a comment knowing you want to see more. And let's get into this. Okay, so I'm just right out here. I've been wanting to catch a beluga or a Wells catfish for so long in this game. So I can't help myself. I gotta sit here and see if I can get one to bite. And it looks like we got something, y'all. Yep, good fish. Really good fish. He's slowly coming in. Yeah, y'all, this has got to be my biggest fish in the game so far. My biggest fish in this game was pike slasher. Or, he is pike slasher, because I don't know if it's going to be bigger than it or not. I think he was like 60-something pounds, and yet that's a beluga. He's got to be bigger. That is a big sturgeon right there, and he's just completely quit moving. I had a feeling that whenever we finally unlocked Akhtuba River, we'd catch a good fish, and it looks like we definitely have. He's almost in now. This guy's fighting to the very end, and here he is. A 92-pound beluga. That is my biggest fish in this entire game, y'all. 1,500 XP. That's actually not too bad. My biggest fish I've ever caught in this game right here. 92-pound beluga. We might end up catching something bigger than this. These sturgeon get up to like 130 pounds in this place, so it's definitely possible. We didn't end up catching any other fish at that same spot, so right now I'm trying to find a new spot to go and target some Wells catfish. And on the way I might, oh, is that a zander? I thought I might as well throw out a narrow spoon, see if I can catch a zander or something. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a chub. I never caught one of them before in this game. A nice little guy. 1.6. There's something better. I don't even know what this is. Is that a chub again? That's a big chub. Yeah, trophy chub. 2.262. Very solid chub. Nice little fish right there. 2.2 pounds. Alright, we made it to the spot that I wanted to try for some Wells catfish. It's some calm water, so I thought maybe that's where the Wells would be hiding from, because I ain't caught one yet. I'm trying some different baits too. Oh, we got something right there. I'm not sure what that is. I guess we'll find out here in a second. That's definitely some kind of catfish. Oh, a young Wells. A nice little 3.7, a tiny little Wells catfish. Caught him on the duck muscle meat. Finally caught a Wells catfish, my first one ever in this game. A nice little 3.7. Alright, y'all, we ended up moving to the river and the deep holes. That's where the catfish like to hang out in this game. Let's see if we can get onto some. No way this guy just somehow popped a wheelie on the boat. There he goes. Might be getting our first fish here. It looks like we are, yes. Oh yeah, that's a better fish. Probably not as big as a sturgeon would feel, but it could be anything, I don't know. I guess it's possible it could be a Wells, but I don't think it's going to be anything bigger than a normal. Probably just going to be like 15 pounds. That is a catfish. £39 trophy. Wow. He didn't really fight that hard. I've got 41-pound line on right now, and he didn't. I expected a trophy to be bigger and to fight harder. And that's awesome. Nice trophy Wells catfish. And this is my first decent Wells catfish I've ever caught in this game. 39-pounder. They have a pretty good model in this game too. Alright, we got another fish here. Same rod. Smaller. It's probably either a young Wells catfish or just a normal. This guy's not gonna fight at all. He's just coming straight in. And it is a catfish. A nice little 12-pounder. Normal Wells catfish. No, you do use two hands on this guy. The fight on this fish was so long, I had to put it at ×2 speed just to speed it up, because the initial fight was like 3 minutes long. As you guys can see, this is finally a big fish on our line. I have no idea what it is at this part of the clip. And there's its head up there in the water. That's whenever I figured out that it was a big beluga sturgeon. I'll catch you guys whenever I get this thing in. Finally got him in. Come on in. Definitely gotta be 100. Holy crap! 123 pounds on 41-pound line. Huge beluga. Gotta be leaderboard size. What a monster. I gotta zoom out with my camera. You can't even see the whole fish on the screen hardly whenever I'm looking at it tail first. What an amazing fish. 123-pound beluga. By far, my biggest fish in the entire game. What a monster. And this guy was worth the wait. 2 or 3 hours of paddling around, just looking for a good spot. And I think we found it, y'all. Alright, we're over here at the leaderboards. Let's see where this guy's going to be at whenever it updates. So he's going to be number 34 on the leaderboard whenever it updates. Wow. Leaderboard fish, y'all. 123 pounds. As you guys can see, I had to speed this clip up too because this was a really hard fighting fish. And at the moment, I was just trying to get my hands on a unique Wells catfish that's all I wanted, then I'd probably be happy with this video. But we'll see if we end up getting one or not. I'll catch you guys whenever I get this one in. And it's just another beluga sturgeon. Is he big though? 102 pounds. Triple digits. 102.993. Another huge fish. Wow. And if you guys want to see the baits that I'm using for these guys and my hook size, whenever I'm fighting the fish, if you look at the top right of the screen, it shows the hook size and the bait that I'm using, so you guys can see that way. There's another fish. I'm not sure what this is. Probably just gonna be another whales. I don't think it's unique size though. A unique whales in this game, unique's around like 90 pounds. And a unique on 41 pound line would probably be fighting harder than this. So it's probably just gonna end up being like a 50-pound trophy, y'all. But we'll find out whenever we get him in. You never know. There's a chance he's a unique. Yeah, that's our biggest catfish. Definitely gonna be upwards of like 50, 60 pounds. No idea really how actually big he's gonna be. No way! He is the unique, y'all. 103 pound unique Wels catfish. Finally, after about 4.5 hours, we got him, y'all. 103 pounder. We finally did it, y'all. 103 pound unique. I can't even really get this catfish to completely fit on the screen. Let's see if we can get him like this. I've got to extend my screen out some more. Look how long that fish is. What a whale. 103 pound Wels catfish. That is truly a monster. Let me zoom it out real quick. What a hog. And the good old Fishing Planet dude just sitting there, not even struggling, holding up a 103 pound fish like it's nothing. What a monster Wels catfish. Well, I set out to do what I wanted to do, catch a unique Wels. So this is going to be wrapping up this video with this fish right here. If you guys enjoyed watching me play Fishing Planet, definitely leave a like and let me know down in the comments if you want to see some more of this. That's going to be it for this video. And if you want to see me fish somewhere specific, let me know down in the comments. Catch you guys later.